Hello our friend. If you remember, that some time ago we tried this Wiper Wizard windshield blade restorer, or you might as well know it as just Wiper Blade repair tool. Then today the idea arose that we could look at what's inside this miracle tool and dismantle it. You can view the Wiper Wizard test by clicking on the card's icon. For now, let's take a minute and write a comment on how many tool parts there are for this $3 Wiper Blade repair tool, so we can find out who's the new Techscrew wizard. Did it? Sweet! Then we can continue the dismantling process of this blade restorer. The outer part is made of plastic, and I don't notice any screws to dismantle it. It looks like it's glued, as most of the things these days are. Good that we have experienced audio tech that's glued together before, so this won't be a problem. The key to do this is a little patience and a bit of strength. See, I told you. Look, we opened the magic wizard. The mystery is solved. Everything works on 2 springs and 2 women's, maybe even men's nail files. As someone once said, everything genius is simple. Let's try to divide this polynomial into multipliers. It shouldn't be hard, and it wasn't at all. There will be 2 new springs and 2 new nail files for my toolbox. Anything can be very useful in DIY projects. Now all we have to do is find out the correct answer. How many details are there together? We can determine the exact winner of the new Techscrew wizard. I got 8 parts. 2 side caps, 2 black ends, 2 springs, and 2 nail files. Thank you for watching this Wiper Wizard video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe and like buttons, so we can meet in another demolition video. Finally, you can press on the card in top right and see what happened to this Wiper Wizard under a 125-ton hydraulic press. See you soon, our friend.